Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. I am Gabriella, and on this channel I share makeup tutorials, beauty, skin and hair care tips. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my aloe vera oil, but first I want to share with you some information on aloe vera. So the aloe vera plant is a plant that has various medicinal properties or health benefits. It can be used in various aspects from skin care, hair care, and also for weight loss, and it can be eaten. The aloe vera plants can last in your fridge for up to 2-3 weeks. The skin will protect the gel from drying off, and the fridge will keep the aloe fresh for you till when you need it. So this has actually been in my fridge for a couple days now. The gel inside is still very fresh and it can be used for a long period of time. So I'm gonna speak on the cons of aloe vera for hair growth. So aloe vera sometimes is itchy when you use it. Aloe vera plant comes with aloe latex. This is a yellow color substance that comes in between the skin and the gel on the inside. The aloe latex substance has its own health benefits, but then large consumption of this aloe latex could lead to health problems. Sometimes it has a bad smell. For people believe it has a bad smell, but it has this earthy, planty smell, which can be removed by putting the orange peel in your oil, and it will infuse its fragrance into the oil, preventing the smell of the aloe. The pros of aloe is that it helps to moisturize the hair and the scalp. The aloe vera gel is a silky, soft gel that will help moisturize the scalp. For people that have dry hair, it helps to prevent dandruff. It helps vitamin C and E. Also has essential amino acids that help to strengthen your hair. Also, it has fatty acids. These fatty acids help with itchy scalp. Aloe vera oil is very important in hair growth as it strengthens the scalp and strengthens the hair for hair growth, and it also will make your hair fuller and thicker and prevent thinning. So now guys, let's get into the video. So guys, here is my aloe vera plant. As you can see, it has spikes, so be careful not to hurt yourself. So now I'm going to take a knife and I'm going to cut out the part of the aloe vera plant I need right there. So as you guys can see, that's the gel, yeah. And next I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap that part in aluminum foil to preserve the gel, and I'm going to keep it in my fridge to be used later for other things. Now I'm going to take the other part, the part I need, and I'm first gonna cut off the spikes at the edge so as not to injure myself. So I'm gonna do the same thing now to the other side and get those spikes away. Now I'm gonna take my aloe plant and I'm gonna slice it into very thin slices because that's how we want it to be. So I turn it to the other side because this side is more effective to cut. As you guys can see, for my first method, I am going to be cutting the skin away from the gel, as this is one method that people use to make their aloe vera oil. They use only the gel, and that is also very good. The second method involves using the skin of the aloe. You can use this to make your aloe vera oil, but I prefer to use the skin and the gel to be able to get all its nutrients. So now guys, I'm taking a jar. This is a recycled tomato jar, but you can use a mason jar or any jar you get from the store, and I'm gonna put my aloe vera into the jar. I'm going to be adding my extra virgin olive oil into the jar, and this can be gotten from any supermarket, but if you want the links to this olive oil I'm using in the video, it's going to be listed down in the description box. So now I'm going to add just a little olive oil into the jar. Then I'm going to go in with shea butter from Tropical Naturals. As you can see, it's fragrance free. This is one of the best shea butters I've used. I use it for my skin to my hair. I'm gonna go in and take just 1 spoon of this shea butter. It comes in a grease form, so it's going to be really easy to dish out. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put this into my jar. The next step involves me taking a pot and filling it halfway with water, and I'm going to place my jar into the water and I'm going to cover it and put it on high heat to boil for 30 minutes, guys. Just 30 minutes. So guys, I took the jar out of the hot water. I advise you to wait a couple minutes for it to cool down before holding it because it's really hot. Then I'm going to be taking a spray bottle. This will help for easy application of the aloe vera oil on your hair. And as you can see guys, I've filtered the aloe vera oil into my spray bottle. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, give my video a thumbs up and leave your comment down below. Bye guys.